Hey guys, welcome back to Living Trends. Today we will see some beautiful yet comfortable styles of braziers from Clovia. Actually, let me tell you that when I was buying these from Clovia, my first purchase of course, I was thinking that this will be my another Meesho experience. Seriously, wasn't expecting much. I thought I would return the products if the quality is not good, but it proved me wrong when the products actually arrived. I was very pleasantly surprised with the quality of these lingerie. I'm actually loving Clovia for the exclusive lingerie collection they have now. I mean, they offer best of the products in terms of quality and options, best of the prices, and exciting deals every now and then. And the best part is brand promise of 100% satisfaction on products and has a 21-day exchange return policy in case you're not happy or want a size exchange. You can use my partner code mentioned here for additional discounts over and above the current offer. So that's the best thing. This is not a paid review guys, but just sharing my personal experience genuinely. I love the packaging guys, very beautiful and it makes us feel special to receive this polka dotted box with pretty designs on it. I literally loved it. And a cute message with a tiny heart on it. Very cute. It feels like receiving a gift from someone. Really impressed with the packaging. And when you open it, you see some coupons for additional discounts on your next purchase and a pamphlet on their Botanica range. And the ordered products arrived in good condition, securely packed. Guys, if you're new here, please do consider subscribing as there are loads of interesting stuff lined up for you. Also give it a like if you like this content. I always strive to bring you genuine and worthy content. So stay tuned. This is a beautiful brazier in grey and maroon. Has a netted lace in grey color and it looks very sturdy. Doesn't look flimsy at all. It's actually a bridal wear brazier guys. I mean best worn with lehengas and heavy work blouses. It comes with medium padding in contrast shade and gives a perfect fit when worn. The padding looks really soft. Beautiful looking brazier. The color combination is nice and the straps are soft and doesn't dig into the shoulders when worn. So that's a good thing. And the underband is pure cotton and feels so soft. So it definitely doesn't hurt the skin around the band area. The elasticity is very good. I mean it doesn't give that uncomfortable feeling when worn. The lace is also very pretty. It comes with a 3-step double hook and eye closure for the back band. So certainly give it a try. It's a very good one. I liked it. This one is a very pretty brazier with lightly padded non-wired cups. Beautiful print and color combination. The wings are knitted fabric in light blue shade. It looks very sturdy and firm. The fabric is very good. Doesn't look flimsy at all. The underband is very comfortable and the elasticity is great. It feels like soft cotton and it doesn't hurt or dig into the skin. Really soft. The cups are lightly padded and it gives super support when worn, has a nice finish. It is actually designed in a way to give full coverage and support when worn. The double straps are trendy and unique and at the same time very comfortable when worn. Doesn't hurt the skin. Back straps are the regular type and you can do the adjustments here. I mean if you don't like the underwide bras then lightly padded ones are the best to prevent sagging and give support. Netted fabric on the wings has a good elasticity and it is of good quality. So thumbs up for this one. I loved it. is another beautiful one in cream shade with polka dots. Lightly padded underwide brazier, very pretty. It comes with underwide cups for that extra support. The bow on the front gore and the little lace embellishment on the cups add beauty to the product. Looks very pretty actually. The cups are lightly padded and offers a perfect fit. The wings are netted fabric in brown shade, looks very sturdy and firm. Very good fabric, doesn't look flimsy at all. The underband is made of soft cotton, the elasticity is superb. Very nice. It is slightly bow shaped and fits perfectly under the bust. Offers a very good support when worn. The underwires are nicely concealed with thick cotton lining so that it doesn't poke into the skin. Very neatly done. The double straps look classy and the elasticity is good. It doesn't hurt or dig into the skin. Very comfortable when worn. The back straps are regular type and adjustments can be made here. If you want to increase or decrease the length of the strap, you can make the adjustment here. It has 3-step double hook and eye closure. The inner padding is cotton and the outer fabric is spandex. It's a good choice guys, you can give it a try. This is a printed full cotton non-padded non-wired brazier for regular use. The fabric is full cotton and can be used for daily wear. It has that cute little leafy prints all over. Very tiny prints and looks pretty. It is designed in a way, the triangle piping for the cups ensures a proper shape when worn. The straps are regular and elastic is good. The underband elasticity is good as well and stretches nicely. It comes with 3-step triple hook and eye closure. Since the fabric is pure cotton, it is best for summers. If you want something that's non-padded, non-wired, then you can certainly give this one a try. This is a non-wired, very lightly padded brazier with lace. I really loved it very much. Very thin padding and the lace is super sturdy. Looks very comfortable and good for daily use. The fabric on the cups is cotton and this thin padding ensures support and at the same time very comfortable also. The lace, as I have told already, looks sturdy and pretty as well. Not just on the wings, but the underband also has this lace. Looks very pretty. The straps are regular and elastic is good, doesn't hurt the skin. Backband has 3-step triple hook and eye closure. This is how it looks, gives a very neat and firm fit. The underband has a very soft cottony feel. It's a very good one guys, you can give it a try. The last in the list is this full cotton non-padded wired brazier with full coverage. Very good looking one. I like the straps here. It has a nice lace design on the cups. Looks very neat and pretty. The cups are underwired and the underwire is nicely concealed with thick cotton lining. As you can see here, it's very nicely concealed and even the edges are secured nicely to avoid discomfort. The underband has a good elasticity and it has a soft feel when worn. The fabric on the wings is cotton lycra. and offers good elasticity, and the fit is very good. Back straps are the regular type. The front straps are slightly wide and double layered. It has 3-step triple hook and eye closure. The fit is comfortable. I like the strap design here, looks very different and unique actually. This is a pure cotton camisole. I got it as a gift for the purchase of braziers. The fabric is cotton lycra and it feels very soft and comfortable on skin. It doesn't look bulky when worn. You can also gift your daughters these because it really feels very comfortable on skin, so they will feel really comfortable on these. So give it a try. So that's it guys. I really hope you like this content, and if yes, please give it a thumbs up and it means a lot to me. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, as I always strive to bring you worthy and genuine content. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.